This video is going to be awesome, so stay tuned. At the end of the video, we're going to open a surprise Spin Master Monster Jam monster truck. What's going on, guys? Today, the real Monster Jam monster trucks are going to have to team up with their video game version for an epic freestyle event. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And for more awesome videos, check out our channel. Up first, we've got Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Here's the video game version. And here's the real Monster Mutt. Here we go. Big time air by Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Nice front flip. Yes. Woo! Another big time front flip by Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Totally awesome. Time for some donuts. Big time backflip. Woo! Whoa, that was a huge backflip. Wow! Monster Mutt Dalmatians had a great freestyle run. Let's see if it's enough to impress the judges and win this championship. Up next, it's Dragon. Check out Dragon. Let's see what Dragon can do. Starts off with some big time air. Wow, what an awesome backflip, but he almost crashes out.
Amazing.
Big time backflip. Yes! Dragon's having an awesome run. Dragon's popping a wheelie. Check it out. Big time donuts. Yes! That was a great run for Dragon. Up next, we've got Grave Digger. Here we go. Grave Digger's looking to have a big time freestyle run to win this championship. Starts off with an awesome front flip. Wow, check it out. Grave Digger's doing a backwards wheelie. Totally awesome. Big time backflip. Time for some donuts. Look at Grave Digger go. Here's the video game version. Nice front flip. Grave Digger's having a great run. Big time air.
Amazing!
Yes! Another backflip! And the judges' scores are in, and the Freestyle Championship winner is Grave Digger! Woo! What a run by Grave Digger. Totally awesome. Now let's open our surprise Spin Master monster truck. Check it out. We've got Scarlet Bandit. It says it's all new for 2019. Let's open this thing up. Check out Scarlet Bandit. What an awesome Monster Jam monster truck. Spin Master is doing a really awesome job with Monster Jam. It even comes with an awesome action figure. How about some freestyle? Here we go. Yes, look at Scarlet Bandit go. Totally awesome. Big time air. Whoa, what a crash. Oh, almost completes the backflip. Oh, was going for the double backflip and crashed out. That was a perfect backflip. Big time crash. That's all for today, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And for more awesome videos, check out our channel.